I'm not a teenager anymore. I've moved out of my parents' house, but um, one of the things that I think is important to communication with your parents is um, the parents, well, from the child's perspective, you really care a lot about what your parents think of you. So, 我爸妈觉得我现在做的好不好？如果我做的不好，他们会不会就不爱我了？So if you place these expectations of behavior, like going to school and having certain grades, and that being the most important thing, and when the children don't meet that expectation, they don't want to talk to you because they just feel so guilty and like I didn't do this, so like what is there to talk about? I'm already a disappointment and I've already missed that expectation, and I'm afraid that you're just going to yell at me and you're not going to love me anymore, so I don't want that communication. So yeah, so as a parent, one way of opening up that line of communication again is saying, hey, I don't, like, I will still love you, I will still be there for you, even if you failed a class, even if you messed up. And I think that's really important.
Okay, I also wanted to say something about this. So I feel like if your child just shuts his door and just don't want to talk to you, I feel like it doesn't the child's probably hurt by you like for a while, I think. So that's why he doesn't want to talk to you. He doesn't want to open up to you because he feels like you wouldn't understand, or he just doesn't see you as someone that he really trusts. I know it's a really sad reality, but at least that's probably like thing that's probably happening right now. And I feel like you really need to take it slow. So maybe try to hang out with him, or just try to like make small talks with him. And then like later on, just over time, maybe he will start to like gain trust to you again. But just try not to like yell at him or just to hurt him anymore. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.